Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Volvo V40. So from any screen, you've got nav here, the nav button second down on the left hand side. Click nav. That brings up the map. We want the menu, so we click nav again. That's the set address menu. You've got set address at the top, but any others, set points of interest. You just turn this rotary control till it's highlighted or boxed in green, click OK. So that's set address. We've got here street, city. If we go to city, click OK, it brings up this wheel and you'll notice their postcode. So we turn this rotary control until we highlight whatever we want. We want postcode. So click OK on postcode. We put in the postcode we want. I'll take you to our old garage, so that's P, R, it's defaulted to numbers, 5, and then it brings up a list of the PR5s. We want PR54, click OK. Our old garage was Chorley Road, so we'll select street, bringing up the thumb wheel again, C, H. It's, each time you do this, it narrows them down to what's beginning with C and a H. You'll see there Chorley Road. So now that it's a fast entry, I turn the rotary control down to Chorley Road, click OK. House number, the garage didn't have a house number, so I'm just going to set that as a single destination. It's far enough away from here to give us some direction. So single destination, click OK. That's it. It gives you 3 options: fast, short and easy. So that's it. We'll select the fast one, click OK.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
That's it. It's a bit of an old system now, but to be fair, it's pretty simple to use and pretty accurate. So all good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.